Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learning Excel with Miss Nuria. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to use Excel built-in formulas to do some math operation. Just a continuation of previous tutorial, okay? So previously, we have seen how to write our own formulas to do basic math. Today, I'm going to show you that instead of writing your own formula or your own math expression, you can use Excel built-in formula, okay? So if I want to add all of this and make a sum here, writing an expression, all I have to do is write A2 plus A3 is 3. So as you can see, as I type in each number value, each reference, the cell is being highlighted. Formula, we can do the same thing. Just I will show you here, okay? Again, the rule is the same thing. Remember that. So start by typing equal. So here you can see fs. Fx is for function. Just type in here and select sum, okay? Click on sum. Now, once I select sum, it's asking me for the range of data I want to add. So to do that, I'll just highlight all of this, okay? Now, as you can see, when I start highlighting the whole range of data, it started defining the range. So it's saying from A2 up to A5. The colon is to say up to. It's a range. It's showing a range. Start from A2, include all the values up to A5, okay? So press here, it's 10. Oh, okay. Let's check again. Something wrong with this formula because here we found 12, the sum of A2, okay, A3. Oh, we have done here 2 y's, okay? That's a problem. Just remove this one. So now you can see both of them are giving us the same result. We can also calculate average, okay? Now to calculate average, we can type in here. I'll just add here a label. First of all, sorry, delete this one. Avoid confusion, average. Be careful because math has average expression, so avoid confusing that. So to calculate average, I am going to write here average. So when you click on this function, it's showing you what kind of data it's expecting or how many data. So it's expecting a range. So I'm going to select this whole thing. Okay, so average is the sum of this whole selected range divided by that length, yeah? So it's giving me 2.5. So the total sum is 10. How many numbers do we have? Here we have 4. So 10 by 4 is 2.5. That's it. So we have many other functions here. You can see but today we'll stop here. In the future advanced Excel tutorial, we are going to explore a lot into this. Thank you for watching.